Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'm gonna walk you through the list of loan apps defaulters in Nigeria, and of course this list keep on increasing day by day, but then this is exactly what I found online as I'm recording this video today, so which I'm gonna show you in the list, and of course what does loan defaulters actually means, which of course we are going to be looking at too in this video. So but then these are the loan defaulters in Nigeria currently based on October 2019 research. So these are the top 20 loan app defaulters in Nigeria today, as you can see on the list, which I'm going to walk you through in this video. I'm not going to fast turn this video so that you can read through and see what are the things that actually entails, and of course what you need to look into when you're trying to look into for something like this. So you can check the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, 7. Then scrolling down, there are a lot of more loan app defaulters in Nigeria, which of course you need to look into before you get started or trying to understand what loan app defaulters actually means. This is number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, then 18, 19, 20. So they are still the top list, which of course will also help you to understand more about the loan app defaulters in Nigeria in tabular format, which of course is still the same thing like what we have currently checked. But then let's also look into what loan app defaulters mean and what does it actually entails. So like it was stated by AMCON submit fresh list of the top 1000 loan app defaulters in Nigeria, which of course you also need to look into. But then the total list have not been released by the National Assembly yet. But then I still try to make new video once I have the total information of the loan app defaulters in the 2021 to 2022, which of course you also need to look into. I mean, that is a lot of list, which of course you can check and see what it actually include. So you can also see the AMCON put the total current exposure that the loan defaulters and the chronic debtors are all eligible bank assets. So you can see 4.4 trillion, saying the market value of the asset had significantly reduced below the valuation or at the point of purchase due to the socio-economic downturn, making it extremely difficult to consummate sales transactions. So I also have some questions, which of course I believe you'd like to also listen to or to see. So what happens if a online loan is not paid in Nigeria? So if your online loan is not paid in Nigeria, the loan app where you borrow the money may purchase your loan, your name, BVN, photo, profile picture, phone number, and to the public, and your contact detail. Lending apps download your contact number to their database when you borrow money from them, and then if you do not pay back the loan as promised. Then I also have the second question, which says that what happens when you default on a loan in Nigeria? So all these loan platforms will have access to your personal information. That is why they ask you for more details. And like I always say in videos, like when I'm trying to make a video about a loan platform, like you have to pay back the loan which you borrow from any of these platforms in order to avoid any of this kind of scenario. So you can also see what happens if you don't pay back a bank loan in Nigeria. Can loan app block my BVN? Of course they cannot block your BVN, but then they have access to publish your BVN online to different kind of platform, which of course it will also disable you from borrowing a loan from any other platform. So that is why you have to be very conscious and to understand if you are borrowing a loan, how you want to pay back the loan which you are borrowing. So it's very, very important to know the kind of loan you want to borrow and how you literally want to pay back the loan which you are borrowing from any of these platforms, to avoid any of this embarrassment or any of this kind of issue. So if you are trying to search for any loan app to forecast, I'm very sure you'll be able to find one in this video. Thank you.